over the last 2 months, I've gained about 10,000 subscribers. And a lot of those subscribers came from my I Tried It video series where I test different side hustles and let you know if they actually work. One of the most common responses or themes or comments in general is, okay, you told us what doesn't work, tell us what does work. Or I saw one that said, he'll never actually tell us what does work, he'll keep it to himself. So in this video, what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna show you 5 different ways that actually work using my content. These are all videos that I've done myself, and you'll see, and we'll talk about it. It's gonna be a little bit longer video. So if you wanna see what actually works, make sure you watch this entire video because I'm gonna show you basically everything that I do. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to reveal 5 methods that actually work. Now, I've been in affiliate marketing for like 6 or 7 years now, maybe even 8 at this point. And I wanna let you know that to get to the point of feeling like you're successful with affiliate marketing, it's not gonna be an overnight success. A lot of people ask me, how can I get rich quickly? How can I find success in the next 30 days? I don't know, because it took me sustained, consistent, and persistent working at my craft to get where I am today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about all of the different ways that work. So the first one that I want to show you is my first YouTube channel. Now this first YouTube channel is near and dear to my heart. As you can see on the screen here, it has 1.48 thousand subscribers. So it's still a teeny tiny channel. But if you take a look at the first video, it has 242,000 views. That's what's important. And if you're thinking about it, well, why is 242,000 views important? That's 242,000 opportunities to essentially make money. If you watch that video, I encourage you to do it. The YouTube channel is called The Security Camera Guy. It's not a very good video. In fact, it had a lot of downvotes. It has a lot of negative comments, but this video gets clicks to my affiliate offers. Now, if you're trying to figure out in the videos that I've posted recently, how does this kind of fit in? A couple days ago, I uploaded a video about a wheel and spoke method. So you're going to go over to Amazon, you're going to find questions that people are asking about products. That's essentially what this is. How to install Ring doorbell without existing doorbell. You should be able to find a comparable question over on Amazon for about the same thing. So this works. Creating YouTube videos, not in the make money online space, not talking about health, wealth, relationships, or technology. I guess Ring Video Doorbell's technology, but you can see here, my teeny tiny microscopic channel, only 1,480 subscribers. This top video, 242,000 views, drives a lot of traffic to my Amazon offers. Okay, if you look here, you see that I used to get a pretty good amount of views. I haven't been as consistent uploading. That's a goal for 2023. So that's the first thing that works. The second thing that works is my other YouTube channel that I'm going to get back to. This channel is called Web Hosting Rewind. Now, again, only 1,000 subscribers, a little bit more than that. But if we look at my most popular video, it's a free blogging course. The second most popular video is how to start a music blog in 2022, 3,000 views. Now, what I want you guys to understand that even though there's not millions of views here, these views are targeted. If you are to click on any one of these videos, you're going to see that I have links that go over to Bluehost. I have links that go over to ThemeForce. I even think I have links that go over to Canva. These are highly targeted views, okay? You don't need 1 million subscribers to make money. But YouTube works. If you are consistent and persistent, you will be successful. If you look at my main YouTube channel, I didn't just start uploading 2-3 weeks ago. I've been uploading for literally years, okay? I've been uploading different tips, tricks, methods to start affiliate marketing for years. It wasn't until I started with this new I Tried It series that I am where I am today. So YouTube works. You don't have to be a huge channel. You just need to go out and create highly targeted content. So that's number 1. Number 2 is with Pinterest. Yes, Pinterest pins work. So right now you see on my screen, I have 29,000 monthly views. Back in July, before the algorithm changed and I didn't change with it, but back in July, I had many more views. 29,000 monthly views is still really good. But back in July, I had close to 300,000 views, and I had that up. Let me pull that back up so you can see it. All right, so this is a screenshot from July 26th of 2022. You can see I had 154,000 monthly views. And what you're going to do on Pinterest is you're going to do keyword research, figure out what your target audience wants to know, and you are going to create Pinterest pins. Now with Pinterest, you want to make sure that you are sending people back to a landing page, a blog post, or a YouTube channel. Do not put affiliate links in your Pinterest pins simply because if you decide to change affiliate programs, you can't change those pins. Okay, so 154,000 monthly views. I kind of got away from uploading to Pinterest, and so that's why my views are markedly different. But Pinterest will work, and I've got tons of videos on Pinterest, so check those out. Now, what I'm using right now is I'm using a combination of a website called repurpose.io to upload these directly from TikTok so that I don't have to do that. And I also hired somebody to create Pinterest pins for me, and I have those scheduled using a software called Tailwind. So that's what I do. And again, this can work for almost any and every niche. So that is number 2. Pinterest will work for you. Number 3 is actually with TikTok. Now, these are in no particular order. It's just that I just decided to go that way. Now, if we look at my screen here, this was my video. As you can see here, Alston Godbolt. This TikTok account is no longer around. It had 1.1 million views, 1,000 shares, 154,000 likes. And actually, I think I have that video on my, I have it as a YouTube short. If I can find it, I'll post that so that you can see that as well. And 800 comments. Now, that original YouTube TikTok account got shut down. It got caught up in the TikTok dragnet. I was not able to get it back. But if we look at Social Blade here, Social Blade will show you that I had at one point 47,000 followers over on TikTok. So you can see that as well, 47,300. So that is number 4. All of these methods work. It will take time. I do not know how to make $1 million overnight. That's just not something I've mastered yet. Once I master that, I will charge people to learn that secret. Okay, I don't know that. So we have YouTube, we've got TikTok, we've got Pinterest, and another one is actually with Facebook groups. Now with Facebook groups, you can see this is my group, 1.9 thousand members. At one point, I was promoting other people's products and services and earning affiliate commissions, high ticket affiliate commissions. Also, someone asked about this plaque that's over my left shoulder. I got this for promoting Legendary Marketer, earning 10,000 commissions and ranking gold as an affiliate. That's what that plaque is for. It's over my left shoulder. And so basically, what I did to fill this group was really simple. I went over to Facebook and I searched up affiliate marketing groups. So I did affiliate marketing groups like that. And I joined all of these groups. Okay. And when you join these groups, what you'll see within these groups is you'll see a lot of people spamming. Look at this. People are just spamming. There's nobody that's actually helping. Now this person's actually helping. So hopefully they've got this set up. So let's click on this person here. And I'm going to explain to you exactly what I do and what you should do to be successful in these Facebook groups. The number one thing that you should not do is post any affiliate links. Do not spam these groups. A lot of people spam these groups because that's what they've been told to do. Now this person is doing a really good job of his Facebook profile. So what he's doing is he's providing valuable content. And then what happens is people see that he's actually providing valuable content and they will say, I want to learn more about this guy. And they're going to click on his name or they're going to click on his avatar and they're going to spy on him. And when they spy on him, they're going to see this. Course creators and coaches get higher conversion rates and drive more sales with our custom funnels. And what happens is people are going to see this. They're going to click on this button here and it should go to a link. Let's see. As you can see here, he has a link. So this is exactly what I did. I went over to Canva like this, canva.com. The other thing that I did was I typed in something like affiliate marketing tips, hit enter, and I found some tips. Look at these great tips here. Come back over to Canva and I'm going to do Facebook post like this. Click on we'll just click on this post for now. And I'm going to take the tips and I'm going to put those tips into Canva. Now, what you want to do is you want to give the website that you found these tips from, you want to give them their credit because you don't want to just steal their thing. But this is really simple. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the tips, elaborate on them, post them here, and then you're going to post them in these different Facebook groups. Now, if you do this, this is going to take time. You can't expect a flood of people overnight. But you can see here that this is exactly what he's doing to build his business, or you can do it to build your Facebook group. Once you get people over to your Facebook group, you can market to them differently. And this is how you stand out in these different Facebook groups. You see how this post stands out much better than all of these other ones. People are just spamming their affiliate links. I used to try and delete the spam posts, but don't delete them. It helps with the algorithm with the push. So far we've got Facebook, we've got YouTube, we've got TikTok, we've got Pinterest. And before I get to the last one, I do want to say that my process is really simple. I've picked a niche, I'm creating content to help solve problems and answer questions, and I'm sending people to a landing page to collect their name and their email. The landing page will offer them something free in exchange for the information. For example, if you go to alstongodbolt.com/start, you'll get free affiliate marketing planners, and I get your name and your email. And so you can see how that transaction works. And then once I have your name and your email, I am going to send you emails to promote or sell other people's products and services. That is the right way to do affiliate marketing, not putting your spam affiliate link here because no one's going to click on it. You want to give yourself the best chance to be successful, and that's with email marketing. So hopefully you guys are understanding how this works so far and how you can do it too. The fifth way that works is actually with starting a blog. Now, I have about 8 different blogs out there, and I have earned affiliate commissions with all of those blogs. Now, again, blogging takes longer. It's not cute. It's not sexy. So people aren't attracted to it. Again, I don't know how to make $1 million overnight. What I do know how to do is I know how to build a following and build traffic and find success long term. I have a number of blogs in a variety of different niches. I have a variety of YouTube channels in different niches, and they all are successful at earning affiliate commissions. If you want to learn how to do this too, go to alstongodbolt.com/start and get those free affiliate marketing planners. Those free planners are going to help you start a successful affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you build your online business.